This is a DDAmanda video on Cannabis Sativa Incorporated. Good stuff there. Symbol CBDS, and this one's on the OTC. Now I wanted, when you first look at DDAmanda, I mean, this looks like real complicated and everything, but it's really not. And this is a different stock. This is QBTS, and I wanted to explain really quickly what you're looking at here. So on the right side, we have 200 days of trading data. In the program, you can scroll down, see the scroll bar here, and view 200 days worth of trading data. So the first column is the date, the second column is the dollars traded, and we think this is more important than volume because you really can't tell on volume. But like here, she traded $203 million. The next column is what she closed at, the price she closed at. And if it's bold blue like this, that means it's a 200-day high. The next column is our factor. This is what we base a lot of our scans on here. This is proprietary. Nobody else has this. Then you have your actual volume, and then your intraday low, high, and open. And if she went up, there'll be a number in here. And if she went down, this is percentages. This is like percentages here of how she moved. Like today, she went up 49%. Yesterday, 18% up. And a few days ago, she went down 12%, 2 days in a row. And then there's some other stuff here I'm not going to get into. You also have 5 days worth of RSI. This is the last 5 days, like today, yesterday, the day before that, etc. Here's another little piece of information. The number of trend days here is 4, so she's been in a 4-day uptrend here. And we also have StockTwit's number of followers right here. And also we have book value, price to book ratio, EPS, cash ratio, and PE for the stock. And this is all real time. Also, when you click on these charts, it'll go to, this is a 30-day, it'll go to a 90-day, and then an intraday that's also in real time. So that's just a little overview, so this doesn't look so confusing. There's some other stuff here I'm not going to get into, but when you're in the program, you can investigate these things. They're pretty cool. Alright guys, let's get back to our stock that we were talking about. Now this first showed up on a scan here on 11/21 with this 9 factor. And previously she's done hardly anything. So this is just a sleeper, and all of a sudden she wakes up. So you could look at this one, and the next day she went up 15%, actually had a 26 factor. So here's your entry. Right around 0.0129 was the intraday high, so opened at 110, had a low of 110. So this is a good entry right here. And if you waited, you could have got in at 0.130 or 137 in that area. And she just keeps trading more and more. Next day she has a 156 factor and keeps going up. Look at this chart, And so you're sitting pretty here at a penny, a little bit more than a penny. Then she goes to 2 cents, almost 3, 32 factor, just more and more and more activity. And she keeps going up. Here she is up 13, 15, 55, 48. Every day she's just going up. And yesterday has a new 200-day high at 14 cents. This is an amazing stock. There's something really going on here. But again, here's an interesting thing here. This is the last 5 days of RSI. So she started out at 72 5 days ago here on 11/25. RSI went to 81, 88, and even at 88 she goes to 91. And you would think that she's up in nosebleed country, but just because the stock has a high RSI doesn't mean she can't keep going. Now it's at 97. So anyway, just another example of how DDAmanda finds these and lets you make money. Alright guys, onward and upward, and have a good day trading. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners, got advanced features for professional traders. So check her out, DDAmanda.com. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.